Perfection at the nanometer scale. This has been our mission since Scia Systems was founded. Today, we are one of the world's market leaders in the ultra-precise processing of technical surfaces using plasma and ion beam technology, made in Germany. Our solutions drive research and innovation, from microchips to optics in space telescopes. That's why courage, expertise, and reliability are the driving forces behind our development of outstanding technologies. Flexible solutions for our customers in research and industry. We're not afraid to take the road less traveled. Challenge us.